Want to know how to stack Gap promo codes for extra savings? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to do that. First of all, launch open any web browser. Now head over to couponplusdeal.com. Once you land on this website, select your preferred country. Then tap on this search bar and search Gap. Now you will find different deals over here. Simply tap on Get Deal for whichever deal it is that you prefer. Now you will get the promo code over here. Tap on the copy option or directly tap on Shop at Gap for the deals that require no promo code. Now you want to log into your account, then explore the website or the app to find products that you want to purchase. Now tap on Add to Bag, then tap on Checkout. Now while checking out, you simply want to enter the promo code that you have copied, then complete the rest of the steps. Make sure that the discount from promo code has been applied, and in this way you can easily stack Gap promo codes for extra saving. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.